Here we have a broken M14 airsoft gun from days gone by, and we're going to be putting it up against its real life counterpart and some other firearms. Alright, let's take a little walk here. Now we have a wide assortment of targets down here. And one is an old airsoft BB gun, M14 style, like this, but it's the Scout. So it broke a long time ago, so it's time to put it out of its misery with the real deal. So let's see. I hit here and put one there. I missed the third shot. Well, second shot, really. Exit wound. Alright, nice, nice, nice. Let's shoot it some more.
This is Fuck Bitches Get Money coming at you live.
Alright, I'm shooting the Argentine Mauser. I like the RC car. Oh, wallop that. Sorry out that. I'll put some in that airsoft gun. I don't know if they hit or not. All right.
Go down there and look.
All right. Good shot. Good shot. Don't shoot all the water jugs. I think it's empty. Yeah, let's go down and check the car and just keep it rolling. That's good. All right, we're back here surveying the damage. Cyclops destroyed the M14, airsoft M14, blew the back of it off, the buttstock. So. But as you can see, there's still more left to go. He hit the propane tank. You hit that one too, didn't you? Yeah. And then he hit this water carton here. And the bullet was going so fast that it went through, and it didn't just explode. It went through and cut off the water up to here. I've never seen that before on a milk jug. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So, let's go back up and shoot some more. Recording.
today with you.
You want to knock the fuck out?
Let me get behind you guys.
Yeah, let me shoot that one real quick. Shoot, you need to be right beside me.
Okay.
Not right beside me. Just
Even with him.
right here. You know?
Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
Good shot, good shot.
Call me Long Dick Daniels.
What the hell? Alright, we got another M1A virgin over here.
Alright, let's do this.
Get on it. Safety forward. Put the crosshairs right where you want the bullet to go and pull the trigger. It's semi-auto, you got 2 more shots.
Where's the other water jug? Oh, there it is.
Fucking bugs.
How'd you like that?
I liked it a lot.
Sweet, man. You hit it. Hit the Mountain Dew bottle too. Nice, nice, nice. Good shooting. I am now. You're gonna have to push it down.
It's already down. Can't go anymore.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
That's all I got.
Sweet.
There you go.
Not bad, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Shooting Perfecta, black box, 150 grain, soft point, 308 bullets. Down there, I'm going to try and hit the propane tank that's laying up down there. Or I might hit the M1A, the other M14. Dang, I can see the hole down there. Punched right through. Sweet. M1A. We're down here surveying the damage again. This is where one of the SPs went, soft points, 150. It exited right there. That's a 223. And then we hit this. With the M1A 150 soft point. I think it hit either there or there and exited right there. up here. This barrel hit this one with the Mauser. Yeah, he hit this, but just barely. Look how close. Wow, he almost missed. And the old poor RCX car back here. I hit it with the 765. It was laying right there. I hit it right here. Do the whole thing off of there. Okay. That's it.